Vegan or whole foods plant-based? Which one is better? That's the topic for today's video. Welcome back, you guys. I am the physician gardener, Dr. Kashidi Long, your board certified internal medicine and lifestyle medicine physician. And today we're going to be talking about some of the differences and similarities in the vegan versus plant-based world. So a vegan diet is a diet that consists of anything but animal products. So vegans do not believe in eating animals either for health reasons or environmental reasons or animal justice reasons. And so a vegan diet means no meat, dairy, eggs, cheese, and even some people would say no honey. You can be a clean vegan where you are eating, mostly healthy foods, or some people have a term called a dirty vegan where you are eating all the processed vegan junk food like vegan pizza, vegan, all the vegan cheeses, and potato chips can be vegan, and Coca-Cola can be vegan, Oreos. So a bunch of stuff that's not necessarily good for you, but doesn't harm animals in any way. Now, a plant-based diet, or more specifically a whole foods plant-based diet, is a diet that focuses on minimally processed plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. We're going to focus on the whole foods plant-based and not just plant-based aspect in this video because there are a lot of products on the market now that are plant-based that aren't necessarily good for you. Just so that would be synonymous with the dirty vegan. So technically the potato chips are plant-based, and the plant-based meats like Impossible and Beyond are also plant-based, but they're not whole foods. So whole foods plant-based is what I am going to be talking about. Where this differs from vegan is that it is mostly minimally processed plant foods. So there is sometimes some room to include small amounts of fish or meat or honey, for instance, but 80 to 90% of what you eat is going to be plant-based foods. So which one of these is better? Well, I would say if you are a clean vegan, or if you are 100% whole foods plant-based, then the benefits are really very similar because the diets are mostly the same. Where you run into problems is where you are either a dirty vegan or a processed plant-based, junk food plant-based person. So the healthiest diet would probably be a vegan whole foods plant-based diet. So that would be 100% plant foods, so you wouldn't be including any meats in your plant-based journey. And then there are several studies that show that following a vegan whole foods plant-based diet increases longevity, decreases disease such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, etc. When following whole foods plant-based or vegan whole foods plant-based, it means you are usually having a diet that's very low in saturated fat, low in added sugar, refined grains, all the things that contribute to heart disease and some of the other top killers or top chronic diseases in the United States and globally. The fact that you're not eating dairy and meat eliminates some of the highest sources of dietary saturated fat and cholesterol. And then the whole foods aspect, where you're not eating refined grains, refined sugars, eliminates probably the highest source of unhealthy food in the standard American diet. So if you'd like more information on this, see the studies and articles linked in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please watch another and don't forget to subscribe.